The electrical code is a comprehensive set of rules and regulations governing electrical installations. It provides specific guidelines for electricians to follow during construction or renovation projects. Key points. Prescriptive, the code outlines what needs to be done, rather than providing detailed instructions on how to achieve it. Safety focus, the primary goal of the code is to ensure the safety of both people and property. Legal adoption, while not a law itself, the electrical code is often adopted by local, state, and municipal authorities. These authorities, known as AHJs, authorities having jurisdiction, are responsible for enforcing the code within their respective territories. Listed equipment, the code mandates that all electrical components used in installations must be listed by a recognized testing laboratory. This ensures that the equipment meets specific safety standards. By adhering to the electrical code, electricians and property owners can help prevent electrical hazards and create safe environments.